that thing looks so good. Looks amazing. It looks crystal clear. Woo-hoo. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for another episode. Today's video is episode 2 of our carbon fiber series, and today we're going to remove this one and replace it with that one, which looks way better, and it's carbon fiber as well. And I love the style of this one and the design of it. Now before we start, I have to pull the car out a little bit, so you know what that means. Warm start. All right, the first thing we're going to do is remove this and then clean that whole area. As you can tell, it's about to rain. So what I'm going to do is use a heat gun. Well, this isn't a heat gun, it's a blow dryer. Man, this thing, man, it took me at least good 15 minutes to get that thing off. That's how good that 3M tape was. But I got it out. It's about to rain. I'm trying to hurry, and it's hot. All right, this one, it's off. So as you can see here, we still have tapes here. All I gotta do is clean it up and then put the new one back in. This one I painted black, but the paint wasn't too good, so you can see how it's all faded. But I don't need this. If one of you guys want it, contact me on Instagram. I'll give it to you for free. So all you have to do is repaint this, and then it'll be good to go. As you can see, this one was like all flat, but that one has some curves to it, and I think if I'm correct, it's going to sit up right up here. As you can see, this is how it's gonna be, which will be a huge difference. All right guys, let's clean this up so we can move on. And yeah, it's raining. It's Florida. It's raining, hot and sunny at the same time. Never fail. All right guys, the all right guys, the area is all cleaned up. Now all we have to do is install the new one. Now it comes with its tape, but I don't trust that one. That's why I went and bought the 3M tape. That's the same one I used for this one I had on last time. So pretty much what you're gonna do is put them all around here so you can install it. Okay guys, as you can see, I just got done putting the, the 3M tape all around here. So now all I have to do is install it, and then we'll be all set. Now I wanna get carbon fiber spoiler for his car. I don't know if I should go with this or OEM style like this. So I'm stuck between the two. But last night I was on Mad in Japan and I saw this thing. That thing looks sick. It's like a whole trunk door. It's not cheap, it's expensive, but I am thinking about it. Maybe not now, but in the future. That's something I think that I might get. But for now, I either go with this one or that one, which is OEM style. All right guys, let's keep going. All right guys, this is the final product, and it looks really nice, man. I like this style. It looks more, it's like it's more aggressive, but the only thing is, like, the top one stick really good. These corners stick there really good, and then but if you look at these corners here, they don't, it's like the fitment is not like 100% perfect. The top is good, the middle is good, the corners, but right around here and here there's some gaps here, but that's something that I can fix. It's not like it's going to fly away. It's good where it's at, because I had the same problem with the other one. The corners, like right here, wasn't 100% perfect, but the top, it's good, and it looks really nice. I like the look. It looks way more aggressive. Now we have carbon up here. Next will be right here and down here. We already have them here, and it's gonna be on the side as well. And yes, I will get, not I will, I already ordered the front lip, which is carbon fiber, but the sides, I'm just looking to get a good deal on them. But other than that, we're good. All right guys, that's it. The installation is done. This is it. It's hot out here. I gotta go inside. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Perfect.